Okay, to factor this polynomial, it has a number, a coefficient other than 1 in the beginning here, the leading coefficient. So, this time we are looking for two numbers whose product is the product of the two n numbers, which is 8 times 3 is 24. So we're looking for two numbers whose product is 24 and whose difference is 10. 12 times 2. 12 times 2 is 24, and 12 minus 2 is 10. So those are the two numbers. We need now to rewrite the middle term. Using those two numbers. So we'll do that up here. We have 3x squared plus 10x we need to rewrite using 12 and 2. So 12x minus 2x is one way to do that. And now factor by grouping will work to finish up the factoring here. So we don't need our little chart here anymore. We've finished this stage. And now we use factor by grouping to finish off this problem. Factoring the first and second two terms separately, we can factor 3x out of the first two terms times x plus 4. It's 3x times x is 3x squared, and 3x times 4 is 12x. And we know then that there's also an x plus 4 over here. The question is, what had to be factored out of this x plus 4 in order to equal what's up here? So negative 2, because negative 2 times x is negative 2x, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. So that's the correct factorization, and now we have this common factor of x plus 4 that we can factor out. This results in 3x minus 2 being left behind, 3x minus 2 times the x plus 4 that we factored out. Now we've got our quadratic equation factored, and each of those factors equaling 0 will yield one of the solutions. So first of all, this one, if 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to 2 and x equals 2/3. There's one solution to this equation. And the other solution occurs when x equals negative 4. For then, negative 4 plus 4 will equal 0, making the entire product 0. So these are the two solutions to this quadratic equation.